Best product. Okay, 1. Takes much time to get water hot. Seller has not given 2 free valve pipes. After complaining to Amazon, pipes cost has been credited in cashback Amazon Pay balance. Thank you Amazon, but disappointed from seller. Best product. Easy to install, only need drill fitting, rest anyone can install with minimal efforts. Expect a bucket full hot water out of this at one time, which is enough for a person bath. Till he finishes bath, other bucket full of water will be made hot immediately. Not for continuous shower experience. My capacity was 10 liter. Has auto cut-off feature, energy saving rated appliance. Overall a good model to consider from Usha. An excellent product. Easy installation and removal system and ease of temperature adjustment. I have purchased 10 Usha Aquagenie on the 28th of September 2020. Product is very good, but the post-sale service is very poor. Serviceman comes late. When comes he wants everything 100% ready. If anything goes a little wrong, he is not at all helpful, especially in free installation. Leaves everything on you. Becomes busy to send messages to the company informing that the work has been completed and goes out. Later you have to call in your personal technician and complete the remaining. Usha must know it. Click link in description for more reviews.